Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in the previous class, we completed up to 8.16. Okay, children. So, now here given project work. So, before going to this project work, so complete the mind map. Things I have learned. So, what we discussed in this chapter, children? So, in this chapter, we discussed about perimeter and area. So first we discussed about perimeter. So what means perimeter? Total length of a boundary is called its perimeter. Okay, the length of the boundary of a shape is called perimeter. And what means area, children? So each shape occupies some space, so this space is called area. Okay, now complete this. The length of the dash of a shape is called its perimeter. Means what we have to write, children? The length of the boundary of a shape. Okay, the length of the boundary of a shape is called its perimeter. And what means area? The dash occupied by a shape is called the area of the shape. Okay, here write the amount of space. Okay, the amount of space occupied by a shape is called the area of the shape. Okay, the amount of space occupied by a shape is called its area. So this is the amount of space occupied this shape now. So the inner one is area and the boundary. So this line is totally perimeter. Okay, finding perimeter of shape and finding area of the shapes. So first finding perimeter of a shape formed by straight lines and then curved lines. So if it is the shape is formed by straight line, means how you are measuring the perimeter of shape, children? Using ruler to measure perimeter of a shape. And if the shape formed by curved line, means use thread to measure the length of the shape, and then next you have to measure the length of the thread using ruler. Okay, if the shape formed by curved line, so means like this, children. If the shape formed by curved lines means, okay, for example, if the shape is formed by curved lines, so how to measure the perimeter of the shape? Use thread. Okay, how to use thread and place at any point and measure the length of the shape, and after that you have to measure length of the thread with using of ruler. So that is the perimeter of the shape. Next, area. So how to find area? If the shape formed by straight line, means you have to measure how many squares here and write. And if the shape formed by curved lines, okay, if the shape formed by curved lines means first you have to measure total number of squares inside the shape. Okay, total number of full squares inside the shape, and then you have to count number of squares that have half or more than half. Half or more than half you have to count only. Okay, and no need to count less than half square, children. Means these are less than half squares, no. So no need to count these squares. Okay, children. Okay, this is about things I have learned. This, okay, how to complete the mind map like this, children. So now everyone open companion page number 62. Page number 62. Project time. Draw the outline of your palm in the space provided. Mark the boundary with one color and fill in the shape with another color. Find the area and perimeter. So in this project, what we have to do, children? So draw outline of your palm. So means you have to keep your hand like this, okay, and draw the outline of your palm. Listen. Okay, children, so here you have to draw the outline of palm. So here I am drawing, children. Listen. See here. This is my outline of my palm. So you have to draw outline of your palm also like this. Okay, you have to draw outline of your palm like this and measure perimeter and area. Okay, after that you have to, okay. Okay children, so here listen. So I drawn my palm like this now. So like that you have to draw your palm, draw outline of your palm, and then next mark the boundary with one color. Okay, mark the boundary with one color means you have to color boundary with one color. Okay, you have to color border with one color, and inner side means this totally you have to color with another color. Okay, here you have to take two colors, mark the boundary with one color, and mark the and here in this space you have to color with another color. So after that the area of my palm is nearly dash unit squares. Okay, area of my palm is dash unit square means you have to find area children. So how to find area? Okay, this is formed by straight lines or curved lines? This is formed by curved lines. Means first you have to find total number of full squares, and then next number of squares that have half or more than half, and no need to count less than half squares. Okay children. Next, perimeter of my shape. So how to find perimeter? You have to use thread. Okay, you have to use thread to measure the perimeter of the shape. Okay, okay children. Okay children, like this you have to do this project work. I hope you all clear children. First you have to draw outline of your palm, and then next find area and perimeter. So this is formed by curved lines now. So if you find area means first you have to find total number of full squares, and then next count number of half or more than half squares. And perimeter means just you have to take one thread and measure the total length of this palm using thread. After that you have to measure the length of the thread using roller. Okay children. So this is about today's class. Everyone do this project work. Thank you children. Have a nice day.